This is Captain Morgan speaking with Excel Air, showing you some tips to keep your Cirrus looking as new as long as possible. One of the tips that we're going to apply today is actually applying 3M tape onto your aircraft wing right next to the wing walk to prevent any scratches from people stepping over onto the surface here. So you're going to use 4-inch wide 3M tape, which you can get at Home Depot, or you can even order it from Amazon actually. Now, this plastic lasts for about 1 to 2 years, depending on the time frame, and anytime you don't like it, you can just peel it right off. So the tools needed are basically a towel, a little bit of general cleaner, then you need some 3M tape, 4 inches wide. You can go wider, it doesn't hurt, but I found that the thinner you go, the better it looks. A nice sharp pair of scissors, the sharper the better, and then finally a razor blade, X-Acto knife. So first thing you want to do is you want to clean the area. So I'll just spray a little cleaner. Want to make sure you get everything up. You want to measure out your tape to make sure that it goes far enough to be alongside the wing walk. So you're going to bring it to about right here. Okay. Then you're going to go to the other side and you're going to cut. So once you've measured out your tape, you're going to take a pair of scissors, try to cut it as straight as possible. You can do some fine tuning at the end, but you want to go ahead and cut this part off once you've measured. You want a little extra so that you can ensure that everything is straight at the end. I highly recommend having a very sharp pair of scissors so you can cut through. Okay, here we go. Once you've actually cut the length properly, you're going to go ahead and flip this over. Make sure that it reaches properly, which it does. Okay, so now you're going to come back to this end. You're going to start from the root of the wing over here, where you first step up. You're going to very carefully pull back a portion of this. Now, I recommend just starting with one portion. Don't unpeel the whole thing yet. You want to get the first area down first. Okay. So we're going to come over here. So keep applying the plastic. You can either rub it out with your thumb like I am, or you can use like a non-plastic tool which won't scratch the paint. I think a thumb is easy enough. So you want to come to the edge. Once again, be very careful not to put any weight on the razor blade or your cutting tool, and just gently go across the plastic. Do not touch the paint. You do not want to touch the paint with this. So I'm not even applying any pressure, just allowing the razor to do its work. Very gently going across the seam to get a perfect cut. Okay. And there we go. Now you're going to cut 2 more pieces. We're going to do it horizontal. Okay. So we're going to put 2 more layers, or 2 more pieces, one right here. And then if you want, you can actually extend it down here as well. We'll do the first one, we see how it looks, and then we'll decide whether or not we want to extend it. Most planes you'll only need to do about right here. And there we are. Now we have 2 layers protective tape to make sure that the wing walk doesn't get damaged when people are stepping on it.